Welcome back to the Cozy Cottage Homestead. Just a couple of days ago, we had a surprise on the homestead. One little buckling. This is Swiss Girl. A few months back, 5 months to be exact, we had our bucks bump the gate and get in with the girls. So even whenever you try to keep them separated, we were able to get the buck out of the girls' pasture quickly, but obviously not quick enough. So we have one more doe that got out with the bucks. She got into their pen, and we'll see. Hers would be about 2 or 3 weeks behind this little buckling. But this is Swiss Girl. She was one of Napoli's triplets. And one cute little buckling. Can you guess what we named him? I'll give you a few minutes to see if you can figure it out. He is very tiny. Look how precious. He is already looking, wanting to go out. I am going to let him out in a few minutes and his mom and see how they do with the other ones. He is just, by the time y'all see the video, probably be a couple of days from now, but he was born on Saturday. So we named him Oreo. He is black and white. We have no intentions on keeping another little buck. We have a couple of bucks, well, actually a couple of wethers to keep our buck company. So we shall see. He is adorable. Of course, we would have rathered a little doeling, but you know, you got to give what God gives us and take what God gives us sometimes. And that was a surprise that we were blessed with. Never had a goat named Oreo before, but he was completely black and white. I mean, bright white, dark black. So, Swiss Girl had a little buckling. Just thought I'd make a short little quick video. She has been a great mom. This has been the most healthiest buckling that I can remember through the years. Within 45 minutes of his birth, he was standing up and he had already started nursing. So this is going to be one incredible, healthy little buckling. Usually it takes them at least an hour to stand up. Sometimes they pop right up, but this was the quickest that I've ever seen one jump right up. And this would be her first time kidding. She is right at a year old. We generally wait till our little Nubians or miniature Nubians are closer to 2 years old before we engage in the reproduction of getting more little miniature Nubians on the homestead. But like I said, one of the bucks bumped the gate and there it was. Before we knew it, she was the first one that they got to, and we were able to separate the rest of them. So we shall see if there will be any more surprises this year on the homestead. So friendly, so sweet, going to my feet. Look at that little face. Can y'all see that little face? Precious, precious little markings. Got the cutest little Nubian ears. Hello, darling. Hello, darling. Hello, darling. Look at that face. So sweet. He's so sweet. And this one is going to be naturally polled, just like his mama. That is usually a great selling feature. People tend to like the Nubians because lots of them are polled, but some of them aren't. Doesn't offend me either way if they have horns, but he is definitely going to be naturally polled. Alright, so I just wanted to show y'all the little surprise that we had here on the homestead. Hope to see y'all on the Bible studies that I'm doing daily, a gardener's little devotional. So farewell, Homestead family, friends, and neighbors from the Cozy Cottage Homestead.